What's up, fam? Welcome back to a whole other video. Today we're eating some homemade mild wings. Hey, let me know in the comment section if you want us to drop a video on how to make these.
Yeah.
I was gonna drop one earlier, but she had already got, started making them. And I want y'all to see from the beginning to the end. You know what I mean? Ha! No cuts. Bye bye.
Ooh.
So ain't no need for hot sauce. Let me get my drink. Ooh, I'm ready.
Do you need ranch?
I
definitely have to.
Oh.
Alright.
Mike.
My first bite. Let's see what this is.
Boy, it's good. The fries is.
I can't even get my first bite out.
It's good.
That's good.
Lame.
Yeah, it's good.
And it's very hot.
You got it, yeah. The chicken good.
Especially,
What's wrong with you, Jada?
Nothing.
especially the spice. It's not like crazy hot where kids can't eat it.
Yes, mild.
It's like perfect.
It's the in between. How was everybody's day?
Good. Amazing.
Boy, ooh wee!
I enjoyed today being lazy. Tomorrow, no school. Yay! I know I got sauce everywhere, probably all over my face.
I would do a school routine thing, but I don't know.
We just don't want any kind of personal information of our kids schooling out there
Yeah.
as far as that stuff goes. Because we could show them on the computer, but you might see a website that's special for them, you know?
They might have personal information on other kids as well.
Right. So we think about all that.
You gonna hear Baby JG in there either. You all know we let him run around and jump all over stuff. All day, get his energy down. We got no chair, no high chair because he's too big for one. We still ain't found one to fit his size yet.
No. And see where this is sits up high. I'm scared to let him sit in our chair.
He's not a regular baby, y'all. He's a little bit bigger than what he's supposed to be.
Yep.
Our two way bigger. Every baby his size, he can't fit their clothes.
Sure. I have that stuff all over my fingers.
Actually, you can give her some, just a little bit. I think you gave her too much. She ain't know but suck the chicken out. Y'all know kids be doing weird stuff.
Yeah, I would have to admit, when I was a kid, I used to
Dip
get
chicken
fries.
or whatever and keep sucking the sauce off.
My face is burning.
So you know it's good.
Yeah.
Let me see. I go. So, oh yeah.
This is so good.
We all have sauce everywhere.
I ate one bone to the death.
To the death.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
He said, uh-oh, all right. That's why I said, uh-oh, crocodile. Man. You gotta sign up for our bottom feds, man. Y'all gotta do that.
Make sure to use code TGAPD for Fetch Rewards.
We still got no hose yet. Everybody would sign up. Put name scan receipts.
Yeah, a lot of you guys have signed up, but none of you guys have scanned anything. So.
Yeah, I meant to say scan receipts.
And when we say scan, we just mean take a picture of on the app. Because I know a lot of people are thinking, I don't have a scanner. I was like, you don't need one.
Oh man.
I tore them wings down.
I'm on my last one.
I don't even eat wings like that, but
Oh. Y'all. I want to talk to y'all about reaction videos.
yes.
Are they dead? Are they dying? Are reaction videos dying? My thing is, what's your answer on that?
I would say yes. Reaction videos are dying.
I feel like they are. Don't get me wrong. There's some YouTubers out there still getting good numbers, but as a whole, I think it's dying because copyright claims. It'd be a video. A person has no creative input on anything. Copyright strike it or copyright claiming or whatever. And you can be drop them on. You can be doing a fair use act and still get a mark. Like that's why we've been kind of iffy on the reaction videos.
Yeah.
You guys will notice, but when we drop one, we have to drop sometimes like 3, 4 in one night because 3 of them will get deleted or blocked by YouTube before they even get out.
Yeah.
Like they don't even get to get out.
Which is sad.
It'd be like TikTok, regular videos everybody react to.
Or even news bloopers, TV bloopers, all
TV
that.
bloopers. Somebody copyright claim like 2 minutes out of all that bloopers. Just 2 minutes. And then they delete the video.
You can get your drink in there.
Like I feel like reaction videos are dying.
100%.
But I remember like some YouTubers like KSI and Sniper Wolf, they're doing pretty good. I guess they might be having permission or something, I don't know.
I just don't understand how, like, I swear we could react to the same video that somebody else reacts to, and we will get copyright struck, and they won't.
Yeah, we tried it just to see what happened. And lo and behold, I got a claim, got deleted before I even got out. We did the other day, we was like, let's try to react to a video everybody else is doing to see if it still will do the copyright thing. Yep.
And it could be, I swear, it could be like the most plain video. No music, no crazy stuff going on.
Just talking.
Yeah.
Because that's what The Office was. It was just talking.
Yeah.
We reacted to The Office bloopers last night, part 2. And it was funny.
And I don't understand, like he was saying, how it only claimed just a little bit. Not the whole video. Just
2 minutes. Out of like 15. And the whole video was the same people in it throughout the whole thing. So how come 2 minutes get took out, but the rest of it didn't? That made no sense.
It's just crazy.
So I went to remove that 2 minutes. Then it said something about the whole video still won't get monetized.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. I think you guys are going to see a bunch of different content coming from us.
Yeah.
We're going to be coming at you from all different angles. Probably stuff you would have never expected from us.
I think this might just be an issue with smaller YouTubers. I don't know. Because I don't know, there was 2 or 3 big YouTubers. PewDiePie, KSI, and Cyberwood. This is not right. But alright. My end of the video right here. I got sauce, wings, saucy all over me. I need to wash my hands. Hey, look, subscribe, notification bell. So next time, what I say?
Stay sleepy.
Peace.